Hi everyone. I want us to do my makeup together, but I have already applied my foundation and my powder. So I'm just going to pick up from where I stopped before now. I'm not going to do too much with my eyebrows. I'm just gonna do a little bit. I'm not really going to, I'm not going to do something too much. Yeah, we're not going to do too much with the brows. All right. It's been long I did a get ready with me. That's why when I started dressing up, no, when I started getting ready, I had to stop and then record because it's been a while. I think it's more than a month I did a get ready with me video actually, so I know some people might look at how I do my makeup and they want to learn it from there, because when you watch more videos on what is being done, you can easily do it. Anyone I don't record, just take it as it is. So like I said, I wasn't gonna do too much, so I'm already done drawing the eyes. I'm just trying to shape them out, right? And you guys, I'm not really using a mirror. I'm using my camera, right? I'm using my camera, so it might not go as really good. Plus, this is just a disclaimer. Is that how they call it? I am not a makeup artist by profession, so I just do my own makeup my way that I think it's okay, right? I just do it the way I think it's okay, and that's fine by me, So I just wanted to mention that, so you guys should not think I am a makeup artist. When I make a mistake now, you'll batch me. Nope, I'm not. Okay, you see this one, it's already good to go for me. So this out and then go for a tea party. Have you ever been in a tea party before? What was your experience? Did you like it? Is this something you want to do again? Just leave a comment on my comment section how yours was. I am the host, but I plan it with a friend. So this is going to be my first ever tea party that I'm doing. First ever, right? I am curious to know how it's going to go, but I think it's gonna be good. Yeah, I'm thinking it's gonna be really good. So let's see if I can carry you guys along. I will, but if not, I will just drop a video after when we're done to show you guys how it all went down, and I will give my opinion about it. And most people that are coming for the tea party, I'm actually going to be seeing them for the first time, right? So, and seeing people for the first time, you cannot really, I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know, because you cannot tell the energy, right? The energy might be positive or negative. So, but in all, I'm just hoping that it's going to end successfully, and also I'm really hoping that the people are going to come in with the right energy. I'm just gonna go in with my highlighter real quick. Yeah, I know this one. I know this one. And again, like I said, I do it my own way, and this is me, not professional way, but I think I love it how it always turns out. So I barely pay for my makeup. I really do not pay for makeup because I feel like sometimes I pay, but like I said, I rarely do. You understand? I don't really go, I don't pay it like that. I do my stuff myself, and I'm just gonna blend it. If you see me blending, just want to make sure that it aligns. Shadow. Ta-da! Let's do this. And again, like I said, I'm not a professional in the field, right? Please, however I'm doing it, just watch out to see the end result. All right, I'm not going to, you don't expect it to come out like a professional. If it comes out like a professional makeup, perfect. If not, just know that I'm not. so don't expect the perfect one from me. My baby is at the background. That's her making that noise. So she's right there. I have a 9-month-old baby. Yeah, so she's at the background. She wouldn't be going with me anyways. It's time to go and flex up and have fun. I have fun. Yep. Like I said, just let me know if you've ever had a tea party before, if you've hosted it, or if you have ever attended one, because let me know how it went down. What were your thoughts? Did you have fun? Is it something you're gonna do again? You know, and also just tell me, like, when you're meeting people for the first time, right? When you're meeting people for the first time, how do you react to them? I don't know how this is called. I'm going to go in with it. Right? I don't know. Don't laugh. I don't know. I know what it is used for. For me, I don't really get to apply a lot of it because I noticed when you apply too much, right, it's gonna turn like it's dirty. It's gonna be a little messy and looks dirty. So I preferably put it just a little. And this too, I prefer to put it a little bit myself as well, just for it to look really good. I don't want to make it, because I see some people when you see makeup videos of some people, the way they're gonna come pour it out. I don't know, like, really. But for me, I'd rather put it just a little bit, so long as it meets up the standards of what I was looking for. I don't really do too much. All what I really need to do now is to blend it in. And one thing I've noticed, makeup is how you blend in. You need to make sure that everything you're doing, it is fully blended. You don't want to just put it and highlight it there for it to just sitting, right? So most times, whatever I am doing, I tap it. I preferably tap it. You see, tapping takes long, but it gives you the desirable how do you call it, results that you're looking for. Yeah, I could do this to claim I'm faster, but I think tapping it this way gives it more quality and good looking results to when you just brush off everything, you understand? So, well, that's me personally. I don't know about other people, but for me, I preferably just take my time. That's why makeup, you don't rush. Then I'll do it here again, do it here again. So yeah, I just do it like that, just for it. And then I make sure, like I said, always blend it properly. You understand? Always blend it properly. Yeah. Yeah. Guys, I tell you guys, I don't use professional stuff. I beg. I use what I know it will give me my result. All right. So anything I see that I can play around with and be creative and use it, I do. That's exactly what I do. Makeup stuff is very expensive. You want to buy every single thing, all your money will go for makeup. So, and I'm not, man, I work on budget. I'm not about to do that. You see that? And that's it for my mouth. Leave it on the comment section what your tea party experience has ever been, if you've ever hosted a party or an event or a tea party precisely. Also, leave it at the comment section what you think about my makeup.